How divorce affects retirement in North Carolina. An overview. Dustin McCrary, divorce attorney and founder of the law firm of Dustin McCrary, discussed retirement assets and how this site can be helpful to you as you decide how to divide your accounts. Hi, I'm Dustin McCrary, North Carolina divorce attorney and founder of the law office of Dustin McCrary. If you're in the midst of the divorce process, or if you're contemplating divorce, I'm glad that you found our site. While our site addresses a myriad of different issues that you may encounter during a divorce, if you have particular questions about how divorce might affect your retirement assets, you've arrived at the right place. Often, dividing retirement assets is one of the issues that people don't think of immediately as they begin the divorce process. Sometimes people make the assumption that retirement accounts aren't divisible assets like other property. The line of thinking typically is, the retirement account belongs to whichever spouse worked the job. While this misconception is understandable in some respects, it is exactly that, a misconception. The truth of the matter is that a retirement account is an asset that's divisible just like any other. It doesn't belong only to the party who worked the job. After all, there are many couples who have made the choice for one parent to work while the other stays home with the children. In the interest of equity, the stay-at-home parent, who is working at home for the family, also has an interest in the other spouse's earnings, and that includes retirement funds. Furthermore, depending upon how long the parent employee has been working, these funds can end up being quite valuable. There are many different types of retirement plans, some of which are more easily divisible than others. While dividing a standard 401k plan is a fairly straightforward procedure, there are other types of defined benefit plans that are more difficult to divide, as they're essentially plans which promise a flow of future payments. Often, valuation of these plans can require the assistance of financial experts, including accountants, actuaries, and other tax specialists. These experts can be quite helpful, not only in valuing retirement plans, but also in working with your attorney to decide how best to divide those assets. In some cases, one spouse will keep the entire account, while another spouse gets assets of an equivalent value, the house, for example. In other cases, couples might decide to request a Qualified Domestic Relations Order, or QDRO, which is a court order specifically created for the purpose of instructing the administrator of a retirement plan to make payments directly from the plan to the non-employee spouse. There are many issues that can arise during the process of dividing retirement accounts, not only with valuing the accounts themselves, but also in determining whether the entire account is marital property, or whether some of it might be the property of only one spouse. For example, if that spouse accumulated some of the funds in that account prior to getting married. While it can be complex, the good news is that there are many professionals, including your attorney, who are there to help. On this portion of our site, you'll find a wide variety of information about retirement plans, whether it's identifying the type of plan, determining how to value and classify it, or deciding how to best distribute it. It's my hope that the articles here will be helpful resources to you. It's also my hope that if you need legal counsel when it comes to dividing your retirement assets, or any other part of the divorce process, that you'll give us a call. We understand every aspect of the divorce process and how to help you work toward achieving the results that are best for your family. We look forward to helping you soon.